what I have in my bag, nurse version. All right, so this is my bag. This is the one that I bring to work every day. And I'm gonna show you what I keep in here. I haven't really looked, haven't cleaned it or anything, so we're gonna go raw. So if you ever wondered what a nurse keeps in her bag, watch this. All right, let's go. Ooh. All right, so I keep quite a lot in my bag, work bag, I should say. So here's the first item. It's see-through. This was meant to be something that I can easily access and see what's inside, but it's very congested at this point. So my pens, my notebook. This comes in handy because I rotate around the hospital, so I can note down important things about whatever that they do at that specific place that I'm working at. Headsets, not supposed to use that, but I keep them there. My card, this is like very, very important. I need that everywhere I go. Key to my locker, some tablet case that I keep here, it's empty. Maybe if I need to bring vitamins at work. My nurse badge, another badge, some gauze that got in there, hand cream, of course, hand cream, lip balm, another chopstick or lip balm, pencils, a pencil and a marker. We need that a lot. What is this? Some papers with some routines from somewhere. Bandage, other routines, a lot of junk and paper. And these are nasal mental fresh in case we are taking care of someone that the place is not smelling so good. So you need that. Oh my god, there's so much in my bag. Gum, we need that as well. Gloves in this country, you need that. What else do I have in here? I have a booklet. So there's a lot happening in my bag. What do you have in your bag? Let me know.